Tapos lalagay mo na. Para lahat tayo.
Kung uli na. Dito tayo, pre. Dito tayo sa may ulan. Para mas malinaw. Para mas malinaw.
There was a time in my life when I opened my eyes to see you.
Tayo. Para lahat tayo.
When you love someone, you gotta learn to let them go.
When I dream
About you, 'cause when everything's alright, you're in my heart, you're next to me forever. When I dream about you, oh, you never go away. Just close my eyes, wait for my dreams, 'cause I see you. Loving you.
above the window.
How can I get you to see that I'm falling apart? To be gone, I can never be sure.
Itutur ko pala kayo sa bahay ni
Dave.
si Dave na natutulog ngayon dahil napakalakas niya uminom.
Weak daw.
Hindi siya weak.
Balita ko malakas yan eh.
Okay lang siya. Oh. Ate niya yung kakatugay eh. Actually, Dave, welcome to his crib. Ito nga pala ang kanyang tinutuluyan pagka siya ay nakakasya niya. Wari daw mag-check. Ito ang nangyari kay Dave. Oh, shit, man. What's happening? Ice cream. Ito ang nangyari. Konting katahimikan lang po at nagpapay si Dave. Yun ang yun, ha? Tama.
The defeated.
Atin na pong sarado at papahinga natin mabuti yan.
The last.
Even though he was sleeping in every tipsy moments, we still love him, and we accept that thing that he was sleeping every moment that we were fuck man.
Lahat tayo guys. Lahat tayo. Lahat tayo. Sige, lahat tayo. Gawin doon. Sige na. Lahat tayo. Selfie. Dave. Dave, we will miss you.
We will miss you,
Dave.
Dave. Even though you were sleeping,
Even though he's so weak.
Yeah.
Mamimiss
Mamimiss namin.
Yung Skyrap.
This carrot baog.
It's like papel.
Yeah. Dave,
2 weeks.
next time pag nag-axe ka, mag-dagger ka.
Saka yung Weaver mo na
Ang bagal mag-ipon.
I thought, man, you recharge your cell phone, but I think you recharge yourself.
you charge yourself.
sinabi sa amin dalawa.
You need to
Ay,
recharge
ay.
yourself.
Dave, I love you. 1, 2, 3. Dave, we love you. Bye-bye. Stop mo na. Dito talaga